Hi there folks, and welcome to the What Solutions for this week's The Daily Rigour, issue number 192. So our first story is to do with kind of UK money. We've ran, I think, pretty much all of these stories from the first polymer £5 note to the first polymer £10 note. So now the £20 note is to enter general circulation, and it's the Bank of England say it's the most secure banknote ever. So we interesting fact, there's £40 billion worth of £20 notes in general circulation. So how many £20 notes is this altogether? So basically, we're basically trying to see how many times £20 goes into £40 billion. So I mean, you could write that number out in full, but 20 does go into 40, so it's probably okay just to write it like this, provided you give your answer in billions. So 20 goes into 42 times, so that would mean there's 2 billion £20 notes currently in general circulation. Okay, so wee bit of news as well that the driving theory tests are to change in April 2020 to make the tests more accessible for all learners. So we've got a breakdown here and how much it costs the average learner to learn to drive. So 45-hour-long lessons, each costing an average of £29.20. So that's going to be 45 lots of £29.20. We need to add on the cost of the provisional license, the theory test, and the actual practical exam itself. So that comes to a whopping £1,433 just to learn to drive. So onto our technology story. So the computer scientist behind the cut, copy and paste functions has sadly passed away. Rigour Maths certainly wouldn't exist without these three functions, and I know a lot of university students alike will be thoroughly grateful too. So we hold down the control button, and then what button do we press for cut? So it's actually X. So cut is control and then the X button. Now, if you actually knew that, then the other two functions should be quite straightforward, because it's control and then the key on the right of the X, which would then be C, and then for paste it would be control and then the letter on the right from the C, which is V. So the three probably most useful commands on the keyboard. So if you didn't know them, maybe it's now time to learn them. So on to our final story. So we've got a sprinter, a construction worker from India actually, apparently running the 100 metres faster than Usain Bolt, attached to two buffaloes. I didn't really understand this story myself. There is a nice wee video to watch online. Anyway, he was 0.03 seconds quicker than Bolt's record set in 2009. So all we really have to do to work out how long it took him to sprint 100 metres is to take 0.03 away from 9.58. So we're basically just taking 3 away from the hundredths column. There's no borrowing from next door, so we can actually just do that mentally. The answer we were looking for there was 9.55 seconds. So there you have it, folks. I think quite a straightforward edition this week. I hope you got on just fine solving these problems. And stay tuned for next week's edition, when we're going to be looking at more stories from the news of the week and the numbers behind them. But in the meantime, thanks for watching, and bye for now.